Hey, let's go over how you can make web analytics work for you, no matter what kind of business you own. You learn about how analytics helps you track and measure what visitors do on your website, and use that information to help you achieve your business goals. Let's get started. Now, used properly, web analytics can become the foundation of your online portion of your business. That's because analytics can measure the performance of just about any kind of online marketing you decide to do, from search to display advertising, social to email, and everything in between. At the same time, analytics measures your website visitors across the entire digital customer journey, from the first time a person visits your website to when they become a valuable repeat customer. To see how this all comes to life, let's imagine you're the owner of a guest house or bed and breakfast. One online goal for your bed and breakfast is to have visitors make a reservation on your site. After all, that's how you make money, right? Analytics can help measure how many reservations are being made, but it will also capture important insights about the things that lead up to and follow that reservation, all throughout the entire customer journey. So what exactly does that mean? Let's play out an example of the journey the customer goes through before they make that reservation. Let's say they're heading to Cologne, Germany, in 3 or so months, and they're looking for a guest house. The first thing they might do is go online and search for a term like guest houses in Cologne. After their search, they end up on a search results page. Here, they might see lots of different websites from guest houses like yours. They're in research mode. Once they've found your website, they might do any number of things, like check out your daily rate, maybe see what kind of rooms you have available, browse some reviews, or even look for testimonials to get a better idea of what your guest house is really like. They might even look at some pictures to get a feel of the place. At this point, they're probably not ready to actually book a reservation. They might add you to their shortlist and continue looking around, or they'll sign up to receive email updates from you to make sure they don't miss out on any promotions. Perfect. So 2 weeks later, you send out an email offering 10% off the normal rate for the dates they're planning to travel. At this point, they probably have done quite a bit of research but haven't booked anything yet. And that email was just what they needed to make their decision. So they clicked on the email, go back to your website, and make that reservation. The power of analytics is that it can help your business measure what's going on at every stage of the customer journey. If you want to know how people are initially becoming aware of your business, it can tell you which search engines people are finding you on and which kinds of pages they're being sent to. It can also tell you if people are actually engaging with your business when they get to your website. For example, do they browse around and sign up for email updates? Or do they just click the back button on their browsers and move on to the next option? Analytics can also measure whether people are converting on the goals that you want to track. In our example, there were actually two. First, that email newsletter sign up, and the second, the reservation itself. Analytics can tell you whether people are coming back and becoming repeat customers. When properly set up, analytics can even tell you if those loyal customers are becoming advocates. For example, are they sharing your content with others on social networks? A great way to turn analytics into a powerful tool that helps you understand how people use your website and improve accordingly is to set clear, specific, quantifiable goals at every stage of the customer journey. You can then measure your progress towards those goals and identify bottlenecks that are getting in the way of achieving them. For example, your guest house may have a goal of getting at least 50 reservations per month. Using analytics, you might find out that there are people getting confused by your booking system, which is causing interested potential customers to abandon your website and probably book somewhere else. Now, this isn't good news, of course, but it's great information. It shows you what needs to be fixed and hopefully drives a decision to spend some time and resources making your booking process quicker and easier. And that's the key, because data without action isn't going to help anyone. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here, so let's recap. Analytics can become the foundation that measures and supports all of your digital efforts. It can help you measure what's happening and understand the different stages of the online customer journey, highlighting things that you're doing well and showing where you need to improve. So, set your goals, measure your progress, and then use that data to take your business to the next level.